Ever dreamed of swimming with dolphins or exploring vibrant coral reefs? These experiences are not just for the movies or your wildest dreams. They are real, accessible, and waiting for you to dive in. Imagine the thrill of being in the water with these magnificent creatures, feeling the rush of the ocean around you, and witnessing the underwater world come to life in ways you never thought possible. Let's make it a reality. Whether you're an experienced diver or a complete novice, there are marine adventures out there tailored just for you. From the shallow waters of tropical paradises to the deep blue seas, the ocean offers a playground of endless possibilities. First up, swimming with dolphins. This is one of the most sought-after marine experiences, and for good reason. Dolphins are known for their intelligence, playful nature, and friendly demeanor. They have a way of connecting with humans that is both magical and unforgettable. Imagine splashing around in the Bahamas or Hawaii surrounded by these intelligent and friendly creatures. The clear, warm waters provide the perfect setting for an encounter that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. The dolphins' playful antics and curious nature make every moment in the water with them a unique experience. Ethical marine centers let you swim alongside dolphins, learn about their behaviors and conservation. Pure magic! These centers are dedicated to the well-being of the dolphins and the education of visitors. You'll not only get to swim with these amazing animals, but also learn about their habits, communication, and the efforts being made to protect their natural habitats. Next, let's talk snorkeling in coral reefs. This is an adventure that takes you into the heart of the ocean's most vibrant ecosystems. Coral reefs are teeming with life, offering a kaleidoscope of colors and a bustling community of marine creatures. Picture yourself in Australia's Great Barrier Reef or the Maldives, immersed in a dazzling underwater paradise. These locations are renowned for their stunning coral formations and the incredible diversity of marine life they support. As you float above the reef, you'll see schools of tropical fish darting in and out of the corals, each one more colorful than the last. Colorful corals, tropical fish, maybe even a sea turtle, it's like stepping into another world. The experience is both serene and exhilarating as you become part of this underwater wonderland. The gentle sway of the corals, the vibrant hues of the fish, and the graceful movements of a sea turtle create a scene that is both peaceful and awe-inspiring. Feeling daring? Try shark diving. This is an adventure for those who crave excitement and are fascinated by the ocean's top predators. Shark diving offers a chance to see these magnificent creatures up close in their natural environment. South Africa, Fiji, and the Bahamas offer thrilling shark cage diving experiences. These locations are known for their healthy shark populations and clear waters, making them ideal for this heart-pounding adventure. As you descend into the water, the anticipation builds, and soon you find yourself face to face with these powerful predators. Safely enclosed, you'll come face to face with these powerful predators. The cage provides a secure environment, allowing you to observe the sharks as they glide effortlessly through the water. Their sheer size and presence are both intimidating and awe-inspiring, offering a unique perspective on these often misunderstood creatures. It's an exhilarating and humbling adventure. The experience of being so close to these apex predators is one that will stay with you long after you return to the surface. It's a reminder of the power and beauty of the ocean, and the importance of protecting these incredible animals. For a hands-on experience, visit interactive touch tanks at aquariums. These exhibits are designed to give visitors a closer look at marine life, with opportunities to touch and learn about various sea creatures. Gently touch starfish, sea cucumbers, and more, while learning about their unique traits. The touch tanks are a great way to engage with marine life in a safe and controlled environment. You'll learn about the different textures, behaviors, and adaptations of these fascinating creatures. Perfect for families and future ocean lovers, these interactive experiences are not only educational but also incredibly fun. They inspire curiosity and a deeper appreciation for the ocean and its inhabitants, making them ideal for visitors of all ages. Prefer staying above water? Kayaking with marine life is your thing. This activity combines the tranquility of paddling with the excitement of encountering marine animals in their natural habitat. Paddle through clear waters in Florida, Costa Rica, or New Zealand, alongside dolphins, manatees, or even whales. These locations offer some of the best kayaking experiences with calm waters and abundant marine life. As you glide through the water, you'll have the chance to see these animals up close, in a way that is both peaceful and exhilarating. It's peaceful, eco-friendly, and rewarding. Kayaking allows you to explore the coastline and marine environments without disturbing the wildlife. It's a sustainable way to enjoy the beauty of the ocean, And the sense of connection you feel with nature is truly rewarding. And whale watching tours are a must. These tours offer a chance to see some of the ocean's largest and most majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Whether it's orcas in Alaska or humpbacks in Iceland, witness the grandeur of whales in their natural habitat. Truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The sight of a whale breaching the surface or a pod of orcas swimming together is nothing short of breathtaking. These tours provide a unique opportunity to learn about these incredible animals and the ecosystems they inhabit. So, there you have it. The most interactive marine life experiences to make you fall in love with the ocean all over again. Each of these adventures offers a unique way to connect with the marine world, whether you're swimming with dolphins, exploring coral reefs, or kayaking alongside whales. Which will you try first? The ocean is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and there's an adventure out there for everyone. Whether you're seeking thrills or looking for a peaceful escape, the marine world has something to offer. Let us know in the comments. We love hearing about your experiences and adventures. Share your stories, ask questions, and connect with other ocean lovers. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel and adventure content. Stay updated with our latest videos and join us as we explore the wonders of the world. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing our beautiful blue planet. The ocean is a treasure trove of beauty and adventure, and there's always something new to discover. So dive in, explore, and fall in love with the marine world all over again.